Foothills Naga Coordination Committee (FNCC) held a consultative meeting yesterday at Tarung to deliberate on the prevailing situation affecting the Naga-inhabited regions of Manipur. The press release stated that meeting was attended by Naga leaders, elders, intellectuals and representatives from various organizations. A comprehensive discussion was held on the growing challenges and perceived existential threats faced by Naga people. In a unanimous resolution, FNCC declared that no camps or settlements of Kuki militant groups currently under the Suspension of Operation Sioux agreement would be permitted within Naga territories. The meeting also resolved to prohibit construction of bunkers, makeshift shelters, wooden crosses, unauthorized gates, or barricades within Naga-inhabited areas. The committee further stated that no infrastructure development projects would be allowed in Naga areas if they infringe upon the rights, identity, or survival of the Naga people. It stated that any such project must be preceded by transparent consultation and must obtain prior knowledge and informed consent of local Naga communities. The FNCC reaffirmed its commitment to safeguarding the rights and land of the Naga people and urged all stakeholders to respect the sentiments and decisions of the community.